What's going on, guys? We just got back up to the property from our dune trip. We took a bunch of like riding footage and everything like that. We wanted to show you guys that.
It's hard for us to like do a lot of commentary when we're in the Can-Am because we have our helmets on, and I mean, I would love for some cool microphone that hears everybody talking.
That'd be cool. Anyway,
we don't have that yet.
Yeah, we took a bunch of GoPro footage and footage from inside when we were driving and stuff like that. And if you guys like in the Can-Am footage, then this video is for you.
Strange trip, it's all insane. You ain't never gonna be the same. Living life through the night, thin line of the lightning strike. Sometimes the only light is when the moon is tucked away. Camera captures all the things that make us turn from what we see. It's always moving. Should've never done. Sitting here, zombie, trucking on the road. I'm
Good morning, guys, from the Dumont Dunes here in Baker, California. We're having a really great Thanksgiving weekend. Grandma Nora's trailer is up here, our trailer is up here, and we have a really cool crew we're hanging out with today, or this whole weekend. So we're really excited. Follow along, and let's go riding.
Well, we're getting ready to go for a rip right now. Everyone's loading up. It's our last day here, but I'm excited. The dunes are perfect right now. And we've had some good rides the last few days, but we're gonna go see if we can keep it going. Let's go.
Bubba made his card that he's gonna mail to Santa.
A big dollhouse? Barbie. What would you like, Barbie? Alright, will you make sure you stay on Santa's good list? Now we'll bring this
I got dune hair.
Dune hair, don't care.
Don't care. Mustache, my
What they
wife didn't bring my shavers. right, guys. This is the end of our Dumont trip for Thanksgiving. We had an awesome time with all our friends. A couple people have left already, but there's campfire. Dunes are behind our trail. I don't know. Anyway, we had a great time. It's not over yet, but this is where we're gonna end this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you loved it. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
And we'll see you guys on the next one.
Bye.